If you come over to here and type into YouTube, Amazon in Australia, business setup, type that in. The number one spot is this one here, which is an hour-long webinar that I did with Arnold Shields, who runs the big accounting firm in North Sydney, Dolman Bateman. And Arnie goes in great detail about how to set up and structure your Amazon business. It's a great webinar, and it's there for you. You can watch that. I will add to that Arnold says to definitely start in a PTY Ltd company. And I agree with that for the most part, but there is no reason at all, if financial situations insist, that you cannot start as a sole trader and start like that. So there's no reason at all that you can't do that. There are some advantages to starting in a PTY Ltd, but if you can't afford to do that, don't worry about it. Start as a sole trader, no dramas at all. The most important thing, I think, for this is two things. First one, something that the fantastic Kate Ingham talks about a lot, which is getting your ducks in a row. Now, all that means is that when you make your application to Amazon, you have already got set up your business bank account, your sole trader or PTY Ltd company. You've got your debit card from your business bank account. You've got those things set up, and your business bank account address is the same as the address that you use with ASIC for your sole trader or your PTY Ltd company, so your registered office. The name of your company, Neil's Awesome Widgets, is Neil's Awesome Widgets Pty Ltd, as well as on your business bank account debit card. The name on my debit card is Neil's Awesome Widgets Pty Ltd. So everything's consistent. That's what it means. Ducks in a row means that there's consistently, everything's the same as much as possible. And the second thing, something what Sue Josephson talks about a lot as well, is about getting yourself registered for GST. And I think now more than ever, that's imperative that you do that, particularly given what's happened in Australia with regards to the changes to the GST laws this coming July, the 1st of July. I think you would be crazy not to register for GST, because anything you buy is going to be subject to GST. You may as well be claiming it back. All right, so that would be my strategy. Watch the video with Arnie and get your ducks in a row. Make sure that you register for GST. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.